We've looked at all those functions. So who are the overall top 25 counties? Number 1 county, a second time, is Murang'a County with 54%. Number 2 county with 52%, consolidated or overall index, is Kiambu County. Number 3 is Trans Nzoia with 50%. Number 4 is a tie between Elgeyo Marakwet and Homa Bay at 49%. And Kisii and Uasin Gishu. Hizo zote number 4. So number 8 then is Makueni with 48. Tharaka Nithi is also number 8 with 48. Alafu we move to Kericho, Kisumu, and Nyeri at number 10. Those are the top 10 counties. We clap for them. Then moves to Embu, Kirinyaga, number 13, with Kwale and Nandi, Taita Taveta, and West Pokot with 46%. We then have Bungoma, Kilifi, Mombasa, Samburu at number 19 with 45%. And we have Lamu, Machakos, Migori, Nakuru, and Narok at number 23 with 44%. Those are our top 25 performing counties as of 2026. And we can see that, yes, it's granular. Some of the differences in the index is very small, but indeed, this is what we are, we have to do when we are dealing with an index. If we look at the consolidated, just go to the consolidated index by region, we see that in 2020, Western counties got the highest mean, followed by Nairobi at 49, then we had Eastern at 48, then that is 2020. Then 2023, ika change, we saw Rift Valley with 53 consolidated index, followed by Central and Nyanza tying at 51%, Western was at 50%, Eastern was at 49, Coast at 47, Nairobi and Northeastern at 46. In 2024, we have Central at 47, then we have Nyanza region with 43, that is consolidated for all the counties within Nyanza. Then we have 44 for Western, we have 43, a tie for Rift Valley and Coast, and then we have 41% for Eastern, Nairobi is 40%, and Northeastern is at 38%. If we look at this particular year, then Central is at 48% for all the counties in Central, consolidated overall performance, followed by Rift Valley at 45, tying with Nyanza at 45. Then we have Coast at 44. Then we have Eastern at 43, tying with Western, and Nairobi at 42, and Northeastern a consolidated index of 39. That gives us the overall mean index that we had seen at the very beginning of 44%. Overall, who are the top counties, top 3 counties? Now we've looked at all these functions, the 14, the 33, and we've consolidated the index. Kwale is number 1 in Coast, tying with Taita Taveta at 46. And then Kilifi and Mombasa are number 3 with 45% respectively. We can clap for them. Northeastern, we have Garissa at 42, Mandera and Wajir at 38 respectively. In Eastern, Tharaka Nithi is the top performer, tying with Makueni at 48. And then we have Embu at 46. In Central, we have the top county as Murang'a. Number 2 is Kiambu with 52. Number 3 is Nyeri. In Rift Valley, it's Trans Nzoia with 50. And then there's a tie between Elgeyo Marakwet and Uasin Gishu. And then in Western, the top performing county is Bungoma. And Kakamega and Vihiga tied number 2 with 43% respectively. In Nyanza, the top performing county is Homa Bay, tying with Kisii at 49, and then we have Kisumu at 47. Then We now share the top governors, is it?
Yeah.
Is that the next slide? See, now we've seen how the